A good city should welcome a diverse, productive and civic life, shape its urban fabric to accommodate, mix, make space for a self-driving and extrovert economy. London today is eating itself. That isn't good. Housing growth is stripping out the capacity for a flexible and vibrant everyday economy right across our city. We've been hemorrhaging lower order office space. 1/3 of our small unit studio spaces are reckoned to be under threat, and shortages are already pushing up rents and pushing out occupants. Builders, merchants and music promoters complain there is nowhere. Places of worship scour the city for a home. Logistics companies shout that they want to be within the M25, but the space is not there. High street places are struggling to give a home to all the worlds that want to be there. Try and find space in Southall, Dalston, Peckham, Kilburn and dozens more. You'll find it tough. Industrial space is being squeezed the fastest. Let's dwell on industry for a moment. In a few years, we've gone from abundance to drought. In Tottenham and Barking, Edmonton and Park Royal, Hayes, Deptford, Erith, Croydon, Walthamstow, Dagenham, Charlton and more. Big swathes of occupied industrial premises are being grabbed for suburbanisation, threatening a chunk of the city's economy where 450,000, that's a big number, people work, 12% of the city's entire workforce. You will have noticed, I'm sure, in every locality, each subtly mixed part of town, the smaller scale workplaces, yards and backs are being removed, replaced with only housing. Not a happy situation. In the post-Fool era, a good mayor will recognise that London faces not just a housing crisis, which it does, but a broader accommodation crisis. Yes, that mayor will win for London a devolved, simplified, revitalised planning system, and will lead by example, show that we can build other than steroided housing estates, that we can include the workrooms and the gathering rooms, the car and bicycle repairers, the aluminium tea tray producers, of course, the courier depots, the printers and the hirers, and all the rest. Please use the city government's formidable resources, money, land assets, leverage in abundance. Persuade others that this is the century of mix, of aggregation, of regathering. This is our city's time, intense and awake. That good mayor will encourage towards bolder overlaps, fully embraced an ever-present vibrancy, and will, most importantly, shout out clearly that as we grow, we must invent. This is no small matter. The city is, of course, a collective project. It is our job together to shape the London we want, to devise the types, the development patterns, resolve the practicalities. The next mayor must shout it, push it, enable it, urban invention. The city must invent. We must all invent together. This is important. Thanks.